Away, my country people. Hey, kasala don kukuma burst o. My country people, na so dis aproko dey reach our desk so. Hey, so na so secret dey take dey leak small small. Oh, my lovely and amazing fans o, make una kukuma stay put, carry your aproko seat sidon well well. Hey, as e stand now o, everywhere don dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. My country people, no be small matter o. If dis na the first time you are coming across my videos, please do well to like, subscribe, hit the subscription button, subscribe and share, and don't forget to put mouth for comment section. Omo, na so I dey allegedly hear say omo, Ned Nwoko's brother dey collect money from Ned Nwoko. All this while, make im dey carry Regina Daniels matter dey give am back to back woto for body. Because me sef, when I hear this one, I say I talk am, because for Ned Nwoko's brother to come out and be criticizing Regina Daniels, come dey tell am she be this, she no know this, after everything Ned Nwoko don do to am, she come get the guts to comot from the house, this and that, kiniko. So now everything don show us say na Ned Nwoko dey fool am with money, dey give am money make im dey talk against Regina Daniels. Omo, na so e dey talk say she is really ungrateful. She is really ungrateful, saying Regina Daniels, after the luxurious life wey Ned Nwoko don give am finish, she come decide to comot from that house. Say she, Regina Daniels, don dey regret why she dey comot for there. Ned Nwoko brother, abi Ned Nwoko's brother, how he come take know Regina Daniels is missing that home? Regina Daniels wey comot from that home come dey happy say she comot from there, say she comot from that prison, say she comot from that all those miserable things wey Ned Nwoko dey do to am. Abi Ned Nwoko brother no dey there when Regina Daniels was still in that family, Ned Nwoko come dey mistreat am. Now e come out come dey talk rubbish, come dey talk wetin no get sense. My country people o, as I dey gist una, na so people come dey give this Ned Nwoko's brother woto upon say he still dey for prison o. Na so this secret come pop up say na Ned Nwoko dey give am money make him dey talk all those things wey he dey talk so. Omo, you know say for this life so if you get siblings wey be say if you do bad thing, that your brother or your sister go come tell you say this thing wey you do, e no good o, you go do am this way, you go do am this way, make you come dey right. But if you come get sibling wey be say whatever you do, whether na good or bad, im go dey support you, come know say na so e dey be, na so na you go dey do that bad thing, dey comot for, dey go front, e no go concern am. As I tell una say this man wey be Epa Ned, e no get the people wey stand for him side. All the people wey him think say dem stand gidigba for him side, come dey brag about it, none of them dey again o. All of them don kukuma run. Now the people wey be say if you see am, you go see them be say na the people wey him dey give money make dem stand by him. People wey be say every time him go dey give them money for them to be always supporting him. But for Ned Nwoko to get their support without anything concerning money, na lie o. Because those people too, they also know say this thing wey they do na bad thing. Na because of the money wey him give them, come make them support am. Aside that money, omo, na run dem go run comot for him side. This man wey be Epa Ned, na so e dey go dey buy people wey go support am. But that is the reverse is always the case where Regina Daniels is, because Regina Daniels, she stands on the truth and the truth alone. And na so people come love am, come support am. How many of them does she give money? None. Even billionaire artist that is always supporting her, she didn't give him a dime. Na because of the love and the care wey people get towards Regina Daniels, na so people come dey support am, come dey fight for am too, come dey stand by am. But Ned Nwoko's own, people don dey run comot oo. People don dey run comot. Na only this his brother. But in this brother own case be say im dey give am money, because if he stop giving am money, na then we go know say whether im support am true true or not. My country people, na so we dey allegedly hear this one oo. Hey, e really shock me oo. So for you to support bad thing, you go collect money. You no get wetin money no fit do oo. Money can do unimaginable. Money, as long as say money dey involved. Even if to say you dey do bad thing, come dey you wan kpai person, as to say you don give person money, that person go support you make you go ahead. Na wetin this Ned Nwoko's brother dey do so. Of all the whole thing wey Ned Nwoko dey do to Regina Daniels, im dey support im brother because say im dey give am money. Im dey give am money, im dey collect money from am, come dey talk. E no get wetin this man no talk about Regina Daniels. She dey follow man about. Of all the whole thing wey Ned Nwoko don do to am, this and that, kiniko. E no get where this man e no get wetin this man no talk. So my country people oo, as I hear this one, I say make I come give you, make I come, make una follow me here oo.